Think you're safe because you use a strong password and two-factor authentication? Wait, that's only 30% of the protection. Most beginners still get hacked because they skip these easy, powerful steps. Stay tuned. This video will show you 5 security tricks 99% of users never do, and each takes under 5 minutes. Here's the hard truth. Even if you follow the usual advice, strong password, two-factor authentication, it's often not enough. Hackers now exploit phone settings, public Wi-Fi, and data leaks long before they try to crack your password. Over 50% of data breaches in the last 2 years came from weak device-level security or sloppy privacy settings. Recent analyses show that outdated phones and default settings are the biggest culprit. Public Wi-Fi, a hacker on the same network can literally read your messages or steal your login data while you sip coffee. Random apps, too many permissions, leftover ad IDs, they all leak info, track you, or expose you. Even harmless apps become dangerous if you don't audit them. Picture this. You think you're safe, but a single mistapped setting or hidden permission gives a hacker full access, and you wouldn't know until it's too late. All right, here are 5 hidden moves that lock down your phone in minutes, works on latest Android and iOS in 2026. Do these today, before the next update or hack hits. Step number 1, use a secret email for sensitive accounts. Don't use your main email for banking, social media, or anything important. Instead, create a separate email only for financial, banking, crypto, or sensitive logins. If your main email ever leaks, the separate one stays safe. This isolates risk. Step number 2, turn off device advertising ID, ad tracking, go to settings, privacy, or Google Ads. Turn off ad personalization or delete advertising ID. On iOS, disable, allow apps to request to track. This simple toggle slashes 90% of tracking plus targeted ad leaks, meaning less data leak, fewer personalized phishing ads. Step number 3, disable Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth Auto Connect and avoid public Wi-Fi without VPN. Public Wi-Fi is a hacker's playground. If you must connect, use a reliable VPN, but best, stick with mobile data for banking or sensitive apps. Also, turn off Auto Connect and Bluetooth when not needed. Step number 4, review app permissions, revoke unnecessary access. Go to each app's permission settings, camera, mic, location, contacts. Many apps demand permissions they don't need. That's your data leaking. Revoke anything that's not essential. Step number 5, enable device theft protection and remote wipe/find my device. Activate built-in anti-theft protection, find my iPhone/Android, find my device. Add SIM lock or PIN if available. If your phone is lost or stolen, you can locate, lock, or wipe it before data gets stolen. This step protects your privacy, even if physical theft happens. When I switched these 5 settings on my phone last month, I stopped seeing strange login alerts. Random ad tracking spikes dropped, and my banking apps felt much safer. In fact, I got 0 phishing spam in 30 days. When before I got at least 2 to 3 suspicious emails per week. That's not luck, it's security by design. Also, if you want to go even deeper, I use NordVPN when on public Wi-Fi. It adds a strong encryption layer that keeps prying eyes away. Also, for password and identity protection, 1Password is my go-to. It auto-generates strong, unique passwords and stores them securely, avoiding the same password everywhere trap. Bonus, if you care about deleting old leaked data from data broker sites, check out DeleteMe. It helped remove my info from several old databases and reduced spam significantly. These are optional, but together with the 5 steps, they give you 3 times stronger security than most users, even in 2026.
If you found this useful, hit subscribe plus bell so you get daily tech protection and cybersecurity tips. Drop a comment. Which step surprised you most? I'll read all. Want more? Next video. 5 phone settings that experts use, most ignore. Click on the link above or in the description now. Stay safe, stay smart. See you in the next one.